Studying collective animal behavior with drones and computer vision. Imagine watching an entire herd from above, every step, every interaction, without disturbing a single animal. Ground-based observations suffer from obstructions, making it challenging to discern behavior. Drones, however, can quickly navigate around obstacles, providing a comprehensive view of the group, as seen here. From the ground, only 5 zebras were visible. Now, we can clearly see all 10. Drones have been used to study a variety of species, especially birds and megafauna, in many different habitats, from the savanna to the ocean. Drones allow ecologists to safely access remote habitats. And drones allow researchers to collect behaviors that are difficult to observe without an aerial view. Now we are faced with new challenges. 1, how to execute these complex drone missions safely, and 2, how to process the vast amounts of video data generated from drones. To solve this, we propose integrating computer vision throughout the entire mission, from planning to execution to post-processing, with Edge AI. Edge AI enables autonomous drone missions, bringing AI into the field, improving data quality and mission scalability and safety. We refer to such missions as AI-driven animal ecology drone missions. We reviewed over 40 studies using drones and computer vision for animal behavior. Most focus on locating and labeling animals, a strong foundation for future work. About 15% operate in real time, showing the exciting potential for live analysis. End-to-end behavior pipelines are still emerging, offering opportunities for innovation. We illustrate a comprehensive computer vision pipeline for animal behavior studies, from extracting data to detecting and localizing the animals, classifying the species, and tracking the individuals through the frame. Tracks, as well as posture or pose, can both be used to label behavior using AI models. Optionally, animals may be individually identified to support re-ID behavior studies, such as tracking individual personalities and behavior patterns over time. Based on our review, we provide the following recommendations for using drones and computer vision to study collective animal behavior. Drone missions should be carefully planned to minimize disturbance, considering altitude, speed, maneuvers, and drone model, which all impact noise levels. Further, animals' habituation to anthropogenic noise should be considered, as well as demographic factors such as species, sex, and presence of young. Autonomous drones, using Edge AI, can track animals automatically, reducing operator fatigue and increasing data quality and consistency. In conclusion, drones with computer vision are revealing new insights into collective animal behavior. Our paper, linked in the caption below, shows how semi-autonomous Edge AI missions can boost data quality while keeping studies safe and scalable. We thank our funders and collaborators for supporting this work. Thanks for watching.